In context, for those who are watching you this evening, Dr. Campbell, and wondering what this means, what are the implications of this ruling, tell us about that through your perspective.
Well, I think this is a monumental victory for the people of Jamaica because it is one that will ensure that their rights are protected. We do have a right of movement, and we do have a right to be free. And what we think was happening was what the former the former Attorney General had said when he said, infringe, abridge, and abrogate the rights of persons in an attempt to capture a few persons that they would deem as violence producers. We all agree that violence producers should be removed from the society, and the government has said that there are about 300 of those persons. I think the disagreement is how we go after them. We have said that normal intelligence-led policing, and the leader even went as far as proposing a court-supervised provision procedure that would allow us to detain those persons while the police build a case. But to use the net fishing approach via the state of public emergency, we thought that you should not take away the rights of 3 million people in your pursuit of 300 violence producers. Additionally, during the time that the states of emergency were in place, we saw where cases were not being brought against persons who were detained, as very few charges were laid. And we saw after 2018, when it just started, there was a decrease from what had gone out of control with a murder rate of 1,600 and I believe 47 in 2017, that it dropped just below 1,300, but then it was gradually climbing back to the point where in 2022 it got to 1,500. So obviously the state of public emergency was not working to curtail murders. Now that we're using normal policing, which is what we've always recommended, we see where last year the murder rate came down to 1,141. Not where we want it to be, but certainly an improvement and the best year out of the last 8 years for this government without the use of SOEs. And so we think that this is a good day for the people of Jamaica, and that we will be able to continue to fight crime while preserving the rights of our citizens.